How to unmute someone on thread. So if you muted some thread users, whether you muted their post or you muted their entire profile to move them from your threads timeline, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily unmute their profile as well as their post. So if you found out of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to unmute thread user or unmute someone on thread is go ahead and open the thread app on your phone. This works on Android as well as on iPhone. Then once you open the thread app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the global icon at the top left or the log icon at the top left, depending whether your thread account is made public or is made private. Now once you click on that, you want to locate muted, click on it. Then here you should see all the profile you muted on threads. Then go ahead and tap on mute. Then unmute. Then once you click on that, you see all the profile unmuted from your threads account, and you'll be able to see their threads, and henceforth you'll be able to see their profile post on your thread timeline. So that is basically how to unmute muted profile on threads. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.